searching, silencing your mind. Trying to be patient, but running out of time. Nowhere